Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Saudi Arabia. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and let's go. Step 1, and open description video and click on link voyafly.com eSIM and open this web page voyafly.com and click on this and write Saudi. Right, and click on this and open new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and choose speed plane light or plus and select days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Right, and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. This good order discount and click on Google Pay and write and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write email, write payment and write billing countries and click on buy now and buy a SIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Bye bye.